Hi there, today's lesson is going to be over persuasive text. Persuasive text is also known as opinion writing. If you're sitting there thinking, what is an opinion? An opinion is what you think about something. So I have a couple of sentences here that I'm about to read, and these are all true for me, okay? So just because I'm about to say them doesn't mean that you have to agree with me. I want you to actually give me a thumbs up for yes, I agree with you, or a thumbs down for no, I don't agree with you, okay? Because we're going to be talking about our opinions here. I might think something's the best, my favorite, but you might disagree with me, and that's okay because that is your opinion, all right? Apples are the best fruit. You agree with me? Do you think apples are the best fruit? Or do you disagree with me? And you think, hey, strawberries are really good. I like those better than apples. Okay? If you said no, that's okay. That's your opinion. And if you said yes, that's okay too because you think, hey, apples are great. They are my favorite fruit. Christmas is the best holiday. Do you agree with me? Or do you disagree with me and think, hey, Halloween is really good, fun. Or I like Thanksgiving. Okay? If you're disagreeing with me, that's okay. That's your opinion. And if you're agreeing with me, then that's okay too because that's what you think. That's how you feel, what you believe. Pink is the best color. Now, I know there's going to be a couple of you that disagree and think, hey, no, pink is not the best color. All right? Summer is the best season. Do you agree with me or disagree with me? Okay? All right. That was just a fun little activity I wanted to do to show you that it's okay. I might think something different than you, and you might think something different than me, and that's all right because that is our opinions. All right, so when authors write to persuade, they want readers to do or believe something. So I have these little boxes right here because whenever an author is writing, this is kind of like, this is how they, their process that they go through, right? So in today's story, our read aloud, we're going to read a story called The Best Season. And this is a perfect example of opinion writing, persuasive text. This author has characters talking about their opinions and why they think a certain season is the best season. So what I have here is some examples from the text, from the story that we're going to go over together. And I'm going to explain them to help you better understand what persuasive text means. Okay, let's get started on this. Opinion. What does the author think or feel? So in this book, the author uses the characters to talk about how they feel and what they believe. So, summer is better than winter. That's our example that we're using. Okay, what are the reasons? What are the reasons why summer is better than winter? What reasons support the opinion? Look for facts or things that can be proven. So in this story, later on, you're going to hear that weather is nice and warm. That's their reason for why summer is better than winter. Okay? So here are some examples. What examples or details tell more about the reasons? Since the weather is nice and warm, you can go to the beach. All right, so let's go back. So this is what the one of the characters in the story is saying. Summer is better than winter because the weather is nice and warm. Since the weather is nice and warm, you can go to the beach. So this is how persuasive text works, opinion writing. So opinion writing tells an author's thoughts, beliefs, or ideas about a topic. Our topic today is seasons. So things that you're going to be looking for later on are reasons that support an opinion. So here's the opinion. Summer is better than winter. The reason is because the weather is nice and warm. You can do a lot of stuff during warm, nice weather. You're going to look for the word because, and you'll hear the word because in the story, which gives you more information why the character or author thinks that way. So I know that's a lot. I know this is a lot of new information I'm telling you, and persuasive text might seem a little confusing, but just remember, persuasive text is how the author persuades the reader, all right? So if you can remember anything today, persuasive text is how the author persuades you, the reader. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's little lesson.